mo.
Morning guys! Welcome to Dundee, the jump off point for our trek for today's video. Joining me, two ladies, Flo and Vivian. Hey. We're going to do a day hike for Bias Pool. First challenge. River crossing. Guys, Hanamonti ba 6,000 meters above sea level. Hey guys, Water Buffalo. Biaskun. So this is the end of the road, and from here it's more of a foot trail going to Biaskun. So bumababa na yung mga ulap. This is the Bias River. So this is hydropower plant works. There's a river, and then there's an inlet for the water to come in. It will eventually go to a penstock so that the water current can run the turbine. That will power up the hydropower. Alright. This is the Seven Sisters Peak. And some peaks are already obscured by clouds. And then Hanumantiba. It's 6,000 meters above sea level. Two, three, four. Hi guys, this is the Palchantaj Herders Home. Yung bahay ng mga nagpapastol ng water buffalo. Hey! Yo, 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 yo. With the local children here. Namaste! What's your name? Sajid. Oh. Sila yung mga bata ng mga herders dito sa Bias. Eh, say hi. What's your name?
Rihanna.
Rihanna? Sajid? And you?
Rihanna.
Rihanna, you?
Sadia.
Saja. Sajid. Okay. Yeah. Dito tayo babalik. Hey. Okay. As you can see there, dun kami galing. That's the Dundee, the jump off point, the starting point for this trek. So yung starting point namin is 2,800 meters. That's almost the same elevation sa summit ng Kalatungan. And then our target is first the Biaskund, which is a sacred lake for the Hindus. And then from Biaskund, aakyat kami sa base camp ng Friendship Peak, which is the highest elevation sa akyat na to, around 3,800. So there's a difference of almost 1,000 elevation gain. So we're doing the circuit. It's 14 kilometers. So starting from there, Biaskund, and then Friendship Peak down, it's 14 kilometers. Yes. Medyo maulap na kasi it's monsoon season. And then kanina may mga herders ng mga water buffalo kasi ngayon abundant yung grass. Kaya inaakyat nila yung mga buffalo, yung mga kambing dito hanggang dun sa taas. And then may iba't iba din mga flowers. May mga wild sunflower. Dito mga high elevation flowers. And then dito, ipan mo nga doon. Hindi na siya medyo makita eh. Pero doon yung Seven Sisters. Doon yung Hanumantiba kanina. Okay. Okay na tayo. Hey!
Nakaganood ka ba bro? Hindi ako nag-eh.
Kailangan?
Ice, baby.
Feel mo. Bilang pa para alam na. Hey!
Hey! Ikaw muna. Wala ka na sa out pag-uwi.
Cheers! Okay na yan, picture naman. Dito mo lang. Kapoy. Kapoy kayo.
Wow.
Follow the arrow for the bouldering na person. Hanuman-Tiba Glacier. And is the boulder field. Diyan, and then pababa na yung lake. Glaciers. Obvious. Hanuman-Tiba. 360. Yup. It's a glacier. Hanuman-Tiba Glacier. This is the Hanuman-Tiba Glacier. Yung nakita natin kanina, parang Toblerone, yung Hanuman-Tiba. 6,000 meters above sea level. Kaso, okay, our destination is there. Hey guys, this is the Bias Pund or Bias Lake. So this is a sacred lake for Hindus. This is the source of the Bias River that goes down to the Kulu Valley. So we're supposed to hike up till the top that beach, but unfortunately parang hindi na kaya sa oras, so we decided to just abort it and just backtrail back. Yes, we're here.